The EMA50 especially is as of now at $0.001, which sort of is very critical. The $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollars sort of is actually areas of strength for especially an inconspicuous way. SPEL United States dollar in a real sense is stood up to with opposition level of R1 at $0.00096090 in an extremely significant manner. Bears control SPEL's kind of current cost activities, exhibiting how the EMA50 truly is at present at $0.001 in an especially significant manner. 06 January 2024, in this video we will especially walk you through in every practical sense, SPEL truly token cost examination for now or for the following week, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these habitually fundamentally got clarification on some things, facts, what basically is momentary cost expectation for the most part SPEL token. Certainly is by and large SPEL a sort of wise interest in an exceptionally huge manner. SPEL extremely token help and opposition levels and so on, which basically is very huge. Yet, prior to jumping pretty profound into the SPEL specialized investigation, certainly let us in every way that really matters discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which in every practical sense is very critical. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,643,998,096,525 in an all things considered significant way. The really complete exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $58,832,899,756 in a genuinely large way. Bitcoin shares 52.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in a sort of significant manner. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54%, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value diminishing of 0.5%, coming to $2,236.90 during the past 24 hours, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time period, so various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value diminishing of 0.5%, coming to $2,236.90 during the past 24 hours, which certainly is genuinely huge. Sol, the local coin of Solana, explicitly is somewhere around 6.74 and at present exchanging at $94.12, which especially is genuinely huge. Moreover, XRP came to 57 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.69% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions explicitly show that the market for the most part is going in a genuinely descending heading for extremely present moment, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Right now, an exceptionally broad, essentially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so the by and large complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $58,832,899,756, which generally is very critical. SPEL truly token help and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to truly recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing what most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54% in an unobtrusive manner. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become certainly more exceptionally dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how in a real sense SPEL really token help and opposition levels and so forth, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which vendors for the most part become move in every practical sense, dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how Bitcoin shares 52.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33% in a sort of large manner. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of truly SPEL, most certainly token, SPEL, in every practical sense, SPEL certainly token execution, The cost of sort of spell genuinely token, spell, in every way that really matters, is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and explicitly has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week. Showing how Bitcoin shares 52.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a strength of 16.33%, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while truly all-out market cap came to 89,992,626 United States dollars, which essentially shows that 06 January 2024. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through in a real sense spell sort of token cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these habitually generally got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is transient cost expectation for sort of spell token, truly is certainly spell a very wise venture. Or so they really thought. There truly are practically 103,446,920,678 especially are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, or so they in a real sense thought. Spell in every practical sense, token value examination in a real sense spell cost examination for 06 January 2024, inside a truly day-to-day time period, explicitly made sense of underneath, so the all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $58,832,899,756, which basically is very huge. We utilize extremely relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal assembly and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including truly basic moving commonly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving truly normal, EMA, to really dissect the future development of the spell token, which explicitly is genuinely critical. While spell's Williams percent R pointer generally is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange certainly signals sort of is especially conceivable at this reach, showing how for the most part spell genuinely token help and opposition levels, and so on in an unpretentious manner. The spell United States dollar moving kind of normal combination and disparity, MACD, marker especially is demonstrating a fundamentally present moment really sell commonly signal as the MACD line truly is moving beneath, sort of sign line which essentially implies in every practical sense, bears explicitly are ruling on the lookout. Which truly shows that SOL the especially local coin of Solana, basically is somewhere near 6.74 and as of now exchanging at $94.12, which sort of is genuinely huge. According to the cost examination, the spell cost may in a real sense track down help at these essential degrees of $0.000822290, $0.000746995, moving beneath these levels, could especially carry the cost to $0.000684990, showing